What's up, y'all? This is the unboxing for my custom interior seat covers from Extreme online store. Gonna unbox these, install them, review them for you all. Enjoy. So here they are, man. I got the all red leather. So I like the black and red touch with the black accent on there. Should give me an appearance boost for sure. They feel high quality, great look, and should be easy install too. When installing these, be sure to line up the correct seat cover with driver and passenger seat. For this one, obviously, seat belt holder is on the left side, so this will be the driver's side seat cover. Easiest way to do this next part is to lean the seat all the way back, which will give you the biggest opening to stick these through. Once you stick them through flat, turn them straight up, okay, and that'll pull the seat cover down tighter. Alright, now that the seat cover for the back is in and the clips are pushed through, you'll leave the J-hooks hanging. So we got the seat all the way back now, and let's go ahead and install the bottom. Same idea with these clips here, push them through and then turn them up behind the back of the seat. Like the stock seat cover, you want to tuck these in too. Alright, as you can see, this seat cover fits nicely around all of the stock parts on the seat, the airbag, all of the controls. Once you get this side piece tucked in there nice and tight, because the cabin space is so tight in here, once you put it in, put the seat cover in over here and kind of tuck it, it kind of holds everything together. The part that's a little puffy or popping up, what'll help with that is either a blow dryer or a steamer. Just applying some heat will kind of stretch it out and help it lay down flatter because it's been sitting in the plastic in the box for a while. So I highly recommend doing that. I plan on doing it myself here after I get these all buttoned up. And that's it for the driver's side. Do the same thing for the passenger. Call it good. They look great. All right, moving over to the passenger side here.